Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you about how pencil is made in factories. The primary material of pencil is clay, graphite and wood. Number one step is, first clay and graphite are grinded into powder. Number 2, then the powder of graphite and clay is mixed together. Step number 3, then they add water in the powder to form a paste. Step number 4, then they put the paste in a machine to shape it into long thin rods. Step number 5, then these rods are cutted into lids. Step number 6, then they cut the wood into pencil shape. Step number 7, then they make a long hole to fit the lead in wood. Then machine put the lead into the pencil. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and Allah Hafiz.